freaking that. Holy balls. Ow! Frickety frick! Frickin' frick! That bird is pissed at us.
Where is he?
Thing is, holy crap. There's one right up there too. Do not mess with the birds. They will fight back. Well, this one's pretty pissed at us, but it's looking straight towards me. Her nest was up there. Wonder if that bird's somewhere. I'm sure it's somewhere still watching because it's probably paranoid now. I threw that bat at the...
You not see it through that thing right there?
No, that's all you can, this is as far as you can see.
Trying to see if I can see
What
it.
did you say that thing tried to attack you the other day?
It did. It dove at my head. I felt the wing on my hair.
I don't like that. I don't mess with that. See, birds, you don't know about birds. Birds can be scary. Like when they get up to you, start pecking at you.
Does it go nice outside?
No. It's ugly.
Is it cold or hot? Or does it feel good? Baby, come give me some.
Layla, what do you think about that bird out there?
Look at her leg, it's so twitching. Oh, you baby. She loves her ears rubbed.
Oh.
Look at that face. Yeah, get in there. Yeah, girl. Look, that's the police officer's feet. His heart. Whatever. Make it stop his heart.
Ow! 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 You hurt me, Layla. That gum, girl.